Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I'm going to show you my two new journals. Here, let me lift this up just a little bit. Look at the boxes, how absolutely beautiful they are. They're from Archer and Olive. I do believe that these are sold out. These, actually they sold out like the first day, and then they also had a pre-order for them so that you could order them even though they were sold out. And I had to wait like, I don't know, I want to say it was at least 4 months before they arrived. But look at how cute. This is going to be my my reading journal. I chose the little bitty one. I mean, this one, I think there's a one even smaller than this, but I chose this smaller one because, wait, hold on. Just to show you a difference in the size. This one is an A5 from them. That's my junk journal. Just to show you, this one's a bit smaller. Anyway, yeah, so I had to wait a really long time to get this. But look at how pretty. So I chose the smaller one because I don't read very often. I'm trying to get back into reading. I used to read a lot before, now not so much. But maybe having this, setting up a nice reading journal will encourage me to go ahead and start reading some more. So that's why I got this one. So, and it's got a little pocket here, and it's got its little pen loop, but isn't that just gorgeous? Okay, so that's this one, and I'm definitely keeping the box. And I will be setting that one up, a reading journal. So those are some videos to come on my channel. This one, this was the Enchanted Chapters line. Look at this, how beautiful. And honestly, probably on camera, you can't even tell how pretty it is until you see the shimmer. It's sort of like holographic because it kind of changes colors depending on which way you face it. Here's the little purple strap, and there's the side. There's nothing on the back. It's really smooth. But isn't that pretty? So this one is the one we're going to set up today. And this one is going to be a TV and movie journal tracker slash thing. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. And I got this one a bigger one because, you know what, we watch a lot of shows, a lot of TV, and I would love to be able to look back and see what all we watched during the year. So that's what we're doing today. They are having a sale right now. Let's see, I wrote it down because if not, I'll forget. It starts the 24th through the 26th. There's going to be mystery bundles. They're going to have bundle and saves where you can like get one thing and add a couple others for a sale price. Up to 30% off of their boxes. There's going to be some new stuff and tier discounts. So depending on how much you save, how much you spend it'll go up how much you save, up to 20%, I think it was. So definitely if you're into Archer and Olive, or if you're in the market for a new journal, the 24th through the 26th is a good time to check out. And if you see something you like, get it, because they do sell out. Like a lot of stuff does sell out. Okay, so for I chose this one for the movie and TV show because we love Game of Thrones, and that's what this cover reminded me of. So I thought this would be perfect for all of the TV shows. So I got my little sprocket, and I printed out, this is just the stuff that we watched in January of this year. Now I'm behind, but I'm kind of glad that that's the way that, that it is, because then I'm not like trying to keep up with what we're watching right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it by month. I will set it up. But first today, we're going to do a nice little cover page, and then maybe not today, but in future videos, we're going to do a movie log, a show log, a did not finish, an A to Z challenge, a movie bingo, and a show bingo. Those are the pages that I for sure want to do in this journal. Okay, so let's do a quick page to set the scene. I bought this recently from Amy Tangerine. This was on Amazon, and it's a book filled with a bunch of these cute collage papers. And I thought it was so fun, and I decided I wanted to use one of these. Look how cute they are. I mean, when you don't feel like, coming up with a concept for a page, it's really easy to just use one of these. Okay, so I decided I wanted to use this one. The only thing I'm scared of is how to pull it out without ruining the page, because there isn't another one. So, and I hate the fact that it's two-sided and then I can't use this page because it's really cute. But I'm gonna try and tear it out, even though I'm really nervous. Ah! I wish it would have been like perforated, type of pages. How am I supposed to pull this out? Anybody have tips for getting these out of here without ripping them? Let's see. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay, there. That's close enough. I hope that works. Yeah, it does. Okay. Well, that was stressful. So yeah, she's got this one. Actually, she's got like 3 of them, and they're just so cute and so fun and so different. So those are fun. And I got those on Amazon. I will put a link in the video description. or on the screen. All right, so I want this to go here. I think I'm okay with the fact that it's like that, like on here, or is that going to bug me? I wonder if I should like cut it just a little bit. I kind of think I should, just because, even though I'm kind of scared to do it. Do we want to do like this and just leave some of the white? I think that's probably a better idea, and then it'll be like this. Let's do that. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to line it up right here, and I'm going to do like this. All right, so let's use some of this tape, and I know we're going to keep this part of it, right? So let's do like this. I probably don't need to go all the way down, but I do need to go all the way across the top, because we are going to line it up with the top. Okay. So which one of you guys also are like me and you do way more TV watching than book reading? And it'd be fun, just like, you know, like the book readers get to have all the fun making their own little journals with their, what we, you know, to be read and did not finish and all that stuff. So I thought, well, I can do that with a TV show. Okay, so I'm going to cut this like this and try to be as straight as I can. Perfect. And let's do this side. And I will round that with my paper, with the little punch thing. I just cut the paper that I wasn't supposed to cut. Okay, that's those two. I don't mind that little torn edge there. I think that looks kind of cute. Where is my, here we go, my little corner punch. Well, let's try using that. There we go. It works much better on paper than it does on washi, when I do washi on the ends. Okay, well, look how cute already. All right, so I wanted to use this little stack of, if you guys have seen my videos, this was from JournalTale, and I totally need to start adding the dates that I got it to, because that'll make it much easier for when I want to share the links with you guys. Okay, so this one had a bunch of these little TVs, and I want to have at least 2 of these TVs on here. I'm thinking this one and this one. They're 2 different sizes. All right, so, and I wanted to use those. And this is cute. It's got a bunch of little like frames and things. This set. Very cute, very cute. Okay, I wanted to use those, and those are going to go, oh, you know what? Well, they're going to go like right here, like that. Okay, and then I want to add, let's see, I've got this. This was also from JournalTale. And I bought this whole set, actually both of these, because I knew eventually I was going to start this journal. I just didn't know when. And I wanted to have some stuff that kind of, you know, went along with it. So this is going to go down here. I really pictured this a little further down. Okay, so we've got this one that says The Shining. And I like this, and I like this. And we'll put these other ones to the side. So I was thinking doing something like this. And this one, the way it's cut, it's like perfect for like a corner. So line it up about like that. And then this can go here. And I'm going to use these. I think I've got some black ones. Yeah. So I want to use these to say movies and shows. Or shows and, no, I think movies and shows is the way to go, right? Yeah. Okay, so this one's going to go right here, just like that. And I do believe these are stickers. I do hope that these are stickers. They are. They just take a second to get the backing off. Let's see. Yep. Are they stickers? I thought they were. Yes, they are. Okay. Whew. All right, so I want this to go like that. There. Perfect. That looks cool. Okay, and then this one, definitely use something to pull these. Makes it much, much easier. All right, and then this one's going to go here. Let's kind of line it up to that line, I think. Okay. Now, let's do some letters. I want it to say movies and shows, but I want it to be black here. And I thought maybe I could like angle them a little bit, you know. Let me take these off of here. So let's see. I can do movies. Oh, I wonder if I should put them on a, let me put them on this first so that I can put them where I want them. That's always a good idea. Do like that. Movies. I tried to come up with a name for this journal. I even like tried to have ChatGPT help me. And it's just nothing sounded good. It was like the closest one that I liked was like the binge book, because we like to binge a lot, binge, you know, TV shows and stuff. But I don't know. Then I decided, you know what? I'm just doing movies and shows. Keep it simple. Okay, that looks really cute, right? I like that. All right, let's do movies. Oh. Hopefully it comes right off. Movies. And I picked these because it had the ampersand. Movies and then shows. I'm really excited about this journal because it's different. And then with each show, I get to like pick stickers and stuff that'll kind of match the feel of the show, you know? So that's kind of fun. Let's see, movies and shows. I think the and needs to come a little closer. I'll put it last. Movies. Let's do like that. Movies and right there. Oh, I just shot one into the air. Movies and come back here. Oh, can't get it. There it is. Movies and shows. There we go. Cute. Okay, so that's fun. You guys don't know how long I agonized over how to do this. Like I had to think and think and think. What do I want to do? What do I want it to say? It was hard. Okay, so maybe I think this one matches a little too much. Like, I don't know. I'm not loving that one. Okay, so what I thought about for these is I wanted to create little scenes inside of the TV. But I think I'm going to have to get some, I wonder if I should get some sticker paper. Let's see. So I kind of wanted to create a little scene. Yeah, let me get some sticker paper. Oops, I think I did it backwards. So I just stuck this one down. I hope I got this on film. But basically, I just put the washi tape on the back of this when, you know, after I peeled the back off, and then I stuck it down. So that's that. I didn't know that I want to decorate over here. I mean, I suppose I could. But no. Let me see what else. Okay, so I've got this washi that I used in a journal spread not that long ago, and I really like it. And I'm thinking that I want to take this side over here and put this on it, kind of line it up with the lines. I'm just going to do a couple of them and see how I like it, and I'll trim it closer in a second. All right, let's stop there because I don't know if I want to do more or do something else over here. I think that kind of brings it all together a little more, but I don't necessarily want it to go. All right. I kind of like that. I think that works. Now, could we add some paper over here? Do we want to? Or do we want to add like one of these? Maybe another one of those. Shining. That looks kind of cool, actually, right? Yes, I do like it. Okay. I think that works. Now, should it go like this? That one's there. I think I like it. I think I like it like this better. The best. Yeah. Okay. That's the way I'm going with it. But I know I had bought 2 of these, so I wonder. Let me see. Let me see the other one. All right. So here's the other one. It would have to go like that. And then we could have this sort of like that. I think I like that better than not having this one. Yeah. Okay. I kind of like the balance of it. Yeah, and I definitely like him up there. And then let's do those 2 just like that. That looks cool. Oh, I like it. Okay. So I'm going to stick these down and be right back. All right, so I stuck those down. Now we've got this bow over here. So I came and got this Romantic Bows book by Agenda 52. And I think I'm going to add one more that it's kind of similar to this one. But I think I'm going to just put it right there. And then I could add some hearts, some of those black hearts. Let's see. We've got these. Best day ever. Oh, they've got these cute little icons. Oh, okay. I just lost the thing to the book. I wonder if I like these because they kind of have that same color. I'm going to add a few of them around here since we've kind of got the bows from the other page. Like that. And then maybe a heart up here. This one's kind of cool. And I like that key too. That one. Let's do the key. Key's kind of cool. Does it go though? Not really. Let me put the key right there. Let's get back to these. Let's put that there. Let's put this one here. That one there. And then down here, let's put, I don't know, is the swan kind of crazy? I feel like I want something different. Let me just see. All right, the swan makes no sense, but I want it there anyway. And I'm not liking this heart over here. This has got to go. Okay, let's put it up there. Okay, so I'm happy with this page. This is sort of what I had envisioned. Let me come down a little bit for you guys. There you go. And there is the start of my movies and shows journal. Next, we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to do a movie log and a show log and a did not finish for the shows that we started watching. We're like, we don't like them. Okay, so there we go. Don't forget to check out Archer and Olive's sale. I will put a link. You cannot use my code during their sale because it won't stack. You know, they just have their sale. But if you do choose to shop through my link, I do receive a small commission, and I'm very thankful for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll follow along with this movies and shows journal that is going to be on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk with you guys in the comments. Bye.